Good morning. You're welcome to Pharmaceutical Calculations, BDT 253, Pharmaceutical Measurements, Coordinates Assessments. Without wasting time, I would like to call the first person to come and pick our questions. Okay, they come out. Okay, don't come out. Pick your questions fast. Number 50, 74, 13, 50, 74. Was there 27? 13, 50, 74. So let me tell you. Oh yeah. Can I give them a fast? Thirteen says, sorry, 1 quart is equal to dash pint equal to dash ml. Number 50 says 30 ml is equal to dash teaspoon equal to dash tablespoon. 74. 500 ml is equal to dash liter. Your time starts now. All right, let's look at what she did. What is the relationship between quarts and pints? How many quarts make 1 pint? 2 quarts make 1 pint. 2 pints make 1 quart. Okay, so here should be 2, right? Good. What of pints? How many pints make? How many ml make 1 pint?
946.
Huh?
1 pint makes 4 pints is 473 times 2 is 946.
Times 2 is what?
946.
Okay, because of different distance, I said that if you use 500, I'll mark it in this one. That means she got this. Now, 30 ml. How many ml are in 1 teaspoon?
Teaspoon is 5 ml.
1 teaspoon is 5 ml. That means 30 ml should be how many teaspoonful? 6. Okay, she got this one. What of tablespoon?
15 ml.
So 30, 15. Is it clear? So she got this. So 30 ml is 2 teaspoonful, which is equal to what? 2 tablespoons. Here is 15. 500 ml is how many liters? She told her that 500 ml is 2 liters. And she got it before and cancelled it and wrote nothing on the board. So be careful about what you are doing. Be very careful of what you are doing. 1 liter is what? 1,000 ml. X is what to what? 500 ml. So if you multiply, what will happen? X becomes what? 500 ml times what? 1 liter. Over what? 1,000 ml. The answer is what? 0.5 liters. And she got it to and did nothing. 2/3. All right, thank you. Hope you've seen your mistake. All right. Peace, so I come out. Pick your questions. 92, 21, 57. Okay, let's look at the questions. Okay, 21 says 1 quart. 1 quart is equal to dash fluid ounce, which is equal to dash teaspoons. Which is equal to dash ml. Number 57. $15 ml is equal to dash tablespoon. How are you? Then the next one, 92 says, okay, 92 has been answered, please. Okay, sorry, don't mind me. I marked it now. 92 says, don't mind me. 92 says, most commercially available Class A balances. Most commercially available Class A balances have a maximum capacity of dash milligram. Most commercially available Class A balances have a maximum capacity of dash milligram. Capacity of dash milligram. Your time starts now. Please, your time is up. What happened? People are going. Now go na akwụkwọ. Goba na akwụkwọ. Unu echezina ka exam unu wee goba akwụkwọ. After each lecture, before you go to hostel. After each lecture, before you go to your hostel, sit down and go through what you've done. I wonder what you are going to the hostel to do when you have not even looked at what you have done. Let alone going to bed to sleep. How will you even sleep comfortably? How do you people do it? Hello? I ask a very important question now. How do you people do it? How do you sleep comfortably in the bed? When you do not even grab what you did for the day, how do you do it? People are trying. You just sleep comfortably and you're snoring, you're sleeping without even feeling anything. Hey, people are trying. All right, let's look at what she saw. She. Okay, no, let's take it slowly. All right, let's go. 1 quart, please, noise, please, noise, please. 1 quart is what? How many food ounce make 1 quart? How many food ounce make 1 quart? Okay, how many food ounce make 1 pint?
16.
How many food ounce make 1 pint? 16. Is it 16? Huh?
Yes, 16.
Confirmed. Chinaya, is it 16? Is it 16?
Yes, 16.
So that means that 1 quart is how many food ounce? 32 food ounce. Okay, good. See. Here, hello, are we together? Here is what? 1 quart is what? 32 what? Food ounce. Then, which is how many teaspoons?
189.
Huh? 1 what? 189 what?
189
Teaspoon.
Yes.
Okay. Someone say 200. Why do you say 200? 1 quart is what? 1,000. So how many teaspoons? I say I will also do what? I said okay. What? You asking whether it's 33 points?
If I like to use 1,000. That's not I use 1,000.
You say you. I didn't get the question. Ounce. Is it ounce you're talking about? It's food ounce. That is not ounce. That is what? Food ounce. It's not ounce. Okay? You ask if you use what? What than where? What? 1 quart is what? 1,000. That is if you use. So if you use that too, what did you use?
We use 473 at 1 pint.
Okay.
946.
Okay, I will mark it, no problem. Then here is now what?
989.
Here uncle. 9 what? 946 or what? I will mark 1,000. Okay. Am I calculating?
Yes, sir.
So then 15 mil is equal to how many tablespoons? Okay, she got this one. Thank you. Most commercially class A balances have a maximum capacity of what? 120 what?
We don't know.
Is it 120 milligram? Is it 120 milligram? How many gram? How many gram? Question. Good, thank you. I think only one person got this in 7. Only one person got this in. I think so. So this is telling you what 120 milligram, 120 milligram. It's 120 gram. Then you, common sense, you to tell that you do what? Convert it to what? Milligram. I will 1,200 watts. I will 120,000 watts. Milligram. This is how to test who on your water here. So peace is a victim of this. Just simple twist. When I questions will not be given to you the way it is in exam. This is common conversion. You have been doing since 1/3. Oh yeah, pressures come out. Mba, Edozie come out. Fast. Pick your questions. Whatever. 39. Don't see pick here. I pick another one. 83. I pick another one. 100. I said, give me that one. 100 have been answered. Give me that one. 34. Answered. Give me another one. 24. So you have 24, 39, 39 and 83. Oh yeah. Okay. 39 and 83. "24 says, how many grains are in 325 milligram of aspirin?"
How many grains
How many grains?
are?
How many are? How many grains are in 325 milligram of aspirin? Milligram of aspirin. Milligram, not mil. Milligram of aspirin. Number 39 says 1/250 grain. 1/250 grain is equal to dash milligram. Number 83 says cylindric graduates are calibrated in both metric and apothecary units. Cylindric graduates are calibrated in both metric and apothecary units. An apothecary unit, single P, apothecary, APOTERC, apothecary, CARY, apothecary units, while conical graduates, conical graduates are calibrated in metric units only. In metric units only. True or false? Your time starts now. All right, thank you. Let's see what she did. Number 24 says, how many grains are in 325 milligram of aspirin? So she said 1 grain is 65 milligram. I agree. X grain is equal to 325 milligram. So X is now equal to what? 1 grain times 325 divided by 65 milligram, which is what? 5 grain. Is it true? Is it true?
Yes.
All right. The one said we should convert 1/250 grain to milligram. 1 grain is also equal to what? 65 milligram. So 1/250 grain is equal to X. So X is now equal to what? 65 milligram times 1/25 over 1 grain. Grain will cancel grain. So we have 65 milligram divided by 250. Is it 0.26 gram?
Yes, 0.26.
Those that punch the calculator, is this 0.26 gram? Huh?
0.26.
Thank you. A3 says clinical graduates are calibrated in both metric and apothecary units, while conical graduates are calibrated in metric units only. Is it true? So which one is calibrated in both? Huh? Conical is in both, while metric is in what? Only what? Metric. Since I said this in your class and we're doing practical, have you bothered to check the graduate you have there? The cynical one. Have you bothered to check? All right. Precious, when I come out. My precious, come out. Fast. I pick your questions. So pick first, then you will clean while I document your questions. Answer. Pick another one. Yes, ma'am. 80. Answer. Pick another one. 76. 76. Answer. Pick another one. 27. Answer. Pick another one. 66. 66. Answer. Pick another one. Somewhere else now. 36. Pick another one. Spread the hand. Spread the hand. Spread. Scatter the seed. 22. Okay, not answer. Another one. Fast. No, get it of them. 7. 32. All right. We have a question. You cannot clean the board. You have a question. All right. Number 1 says. Sorry. Number 7 says. Number 7 says. How many milliliters? How many milliliters? No meters. How many milliliters are in 5 fluid ounce? 22 says. 22 says 1 gallon is equal to dash quarts, which is equal to dash pints, which is equal to dash tablespoons, which is equal to dash mils. Number 32. 325 milligram. 32. 325 milligram is equal to dash grain. Your time starts now. Precious, your time is up. Submit your marker. Go and sit down. You have tried. Thank you. It's nice doing business with you. Come back next time. All right, let's look at what she did. Number 7 says, how many meals are in 5 fluid ounce? How many meals are in 5 fluid ounce? How many meals are in 1 fluid ounce? 30. So which one did she use? What did she use? Because she used 30, okay. All right, 150, thank you. 1 gallon is equal to how many quarts? How many quarts? 4 quarts. How many pints? 8 pints. 8 pints is how many tablespoons?
2 pints.
What do you use? 473. Okay. Is that what you used? Where is your work? Where is your work?
Okay, so you 4.8.
4.8 please.
Can I quickly give 4.8? Can I make for 4.8 either? Can I be 4.8 either? Where did you get 4.80 from? I know I only approved 473, 500. So where did you get 4.80 from? What's your source? Okay, you created your own. So what's your source? Which textbook did you get it from? Or which money? Where did you get it from? Internet. Show me the page on internet. Let me see it. If I see it, if it's from a reliable source, I will score you. If it's not, I will not score you. So show me your source. We deal with source now. Two of us. We don't be long stories. Show us your source. If your source is authentic, then I'll score you. Then I'll add it to the vocabulary of my esteem. Me, I want to learn too. But if you cannot give me your source, fine. Remember, I quoted everything for you, right? I said that I quoted to you why I accept 500. When I said that 1 gallon is taken as 4 liters. Remember? So from there, if you break it down now, you arrive at what? 500 ml for one watt, 1 pint. That's why I approve it. Then and the one in the textbooks we are using. So if I don't know where it came from, so if I can see a source of it, then I will approve it. If I cannot see, sorry, young lady, I will. I'm not saying it's wrong though, but I want to see the source. I know why they fixed that for it. It's simple. So as she's taking the source, where she got 4.8. Maybe the source has disappeared. Let's go to number 2. Then it says 325 milligram is equal to what? That's green. This one is simple. Now 1 grain is what? 65 milligram. X is what? 25 milligram. Then 1 grain is now 325 is now what? 5 grain. I agree with you. Thank you. This is science. Huh? Did you see it? Upload to see. Do you know why I upload to that? On dressing or use it for 490. You can use it for 475. It was 76. Everyone confused. 2 of us. 568 for what? Where is the source? Where is the source? Where is the source? In UK, 1 pint is equal to 568.26125. I told you about America now, 473, right? Did you use 568? I'll say even look into this now, but I hadn't even used 568. I would have said, okay, let me just crew and I mark it for you. Chai. Is well. Please, this is a lesson. Don't just use things without. That's why in science, not only in science, in research, that's why they'll tell you, put your reference. Nobody will come to me and say this is wrong. Are you aware that if this is a write-up, a research write-up, of course this is research, hope you know, in a way. Now, in a research write-up, if you quote for me that 1 pint is 480 ml, you go to your references and do what? Right where the source. 2 of us, if the examiner, I doubt it, I'll go to that source and read it. If it's a trusted source, I'll add it to my wealth of what? Knowledge. And maybe tomorrow, if you want to write a textbook, I'll put it and put that source. That's why in textbooks, at the end you see what references to tell you that this work was carried out by some other people. Am I communicating? So you cannot give me your source. Sorry, I cannot mark it. Sorry. This has spoiled your question 22. Huh? Which one? Pints.
Yes.
Okay. Which one?
1 gallon.
Everything here is one question. If you fail and see, listen. Also, we have one here to the Louis one single thing, one single step has measured up the question. It's just one question. Okay? All right. Better come out fast. Questions. Answered. Pick another one. Give me. 81. Answered. $84. Okay. Pick another one. It was no. 53. Okay. Another one.
Jesus.
79. You can clean the board and then. Number 53. The question says, GR VIII SSS. Sorry, SS. Oh no, XS.
Okay.
As in SS. SS is equal to dash milligram. Dash milligram. Dash milligram now. Dash milligram. Okay. Number 79. Shh. Don't compete with people there, please. Once you're here, your eyes should be here. If I catch you again, you go and sit down. I'll score you 0. Oh yeah, copy this thing. It seems it is over idleness that they worry you. Copy it on the board. The business and copy it. Do something.
79.
79 and 84. Okay, your time starts now. And let's look at this. Let's look at what he did. Number 15 says VIIISS. It's called the dash finger. What is VIIISS? So, 8.5 grain is equal to what? How many milligrams? Let's go. You know that 1 grain
is 55.
China, yeah? What's going on here? VIIISS is VI is what? 8. This SS is what? Half. So that means, so remember that 1 grain is equal to what? 65 what? Milligram. Therefore, 8.5 what? Grain is equal to what? X. So X is equal to what? 8.5. That is 17/2, right? Right? Grain times what? 65 what? Milligram over what? 1 grain. Grain cancel grain. 17 times 65 is what? Divided by 2. What's the answer? Huh? 55 what? 552 point what? 5 milligram. China marker. Imege. Ode ede. Maniche na on ede. Ode. Ke ponya?
Hey, you scared anything now?
Okay. Okay, let's go. So, let's look at number 84. 84 says, it is best to select graduates with capacity equal to or less than the volume measured. Okay, sorry, 79. Sorry, I missed 79. Let's start for 79. 79 says, a child weighs 45 pounds and is to receive 2 milligrams per kilogram per day. Hey. Of drug. How much drug will the child receive per day? Let's go. The weight of the child is what? 45 pounds. Remember that 1 kilogram is what? 1 kilogram is what? 2.2 what? Pounds, right? If you like, you will not go straight. Anyway, it's good. It's not bad, but you can simply go straight and say that 1 pound is equal to what? 4 what? 5 grams. True or false? 4 grams. True or false? Them not confused. Don't worry. Do it. If you do it, you see it. What's this? Come here, go on. Come here. Oh yeah? Okay, yeah. Please the TikToker. Come on. Off we go. Alright, let's go. So 1 kilogram is what? 2.2 pounds. So the child. Anyway, you don't need to, because there's something. It should be in kilogram because you will see do something with it here. Yes. So no problem. So that means the child weight should be in kilogram. Thank you. I forgot. So here is what? 45 what? Pound is equal to how many what? Kilogram. So X is now equal to what? 1 kilogram times what? 45 pounds over what? 2.2 pounds. Pound will cancel pound. 45 divided by 2.2 is what? 20 point what?
2.2. It's 20.4.
It shock you? 20 point what? 20.4.
4545.
Just leave it at 20.45 what? Kilogram, okay? Okay? Now, this is the child's what? Weight, okay? This is the child's weight. Good. Now, let's now go to the main calculation. It says, we just move the child's weight to what? Kilogram. But it says that the child will receive 2 milligram per kilogram per day. What it means is that 2 milligram per kilogram weight of the what? Child. Okay? Per day. So, because we are asked to find what he will receive per day, okay, we can keep this one constant because we know we are talking about per day. So the child will actually receive 2 milligram per kilogram in a day. True of us. Now, Chinaya, you may be a Jomaju. Nsagia. Now, the child receives 2 milligram per kilogram per what? Day. That means in a day, the child will receive 2 milligram per kilogram body weight. That means 1 kilogram body weight of the child for 1 kilogram body. Let's assume that the child has, which I don't know the type of child that will have 1 kilogram. Let's assume the body weight is 1 kilogram. Let's assume. That means the child will receive 2 milligrams. That's the meaning. If the child's body weight is 2 kilograms, the child will receive what? 2 milligrams, 4 milligrams, something like that. So if 1 kilogram, good morning, sir. If 1 kilogram, if the child is 1 kilogram and you receive 2 what? Milligram, that means the child is now 20 what? 0.45 what? That means it should receive how many milligram? This time, this is what? This time, this is what? 41 what?
40.9.
40.9 what? Milligram per what? Day. Per day, in a day. So what it means is that the child will receive what? 40 what? Milligram of the what? Drug per what? Per day. First of all, move the what? Pounds to what? So do you have them now?
I'm supposed to take them by 9:30.
Okay.
Now it's 9, but they said they're free.
Okay.
I can.
Okay. All right.
Let me go on.
Okay. So we have 2 milligram per kilogram. This means per kilogram body weight of the child in a day. This drug, you've seen drug that you witness when they bring a baby to a pharmacy or hospital. They want to check the child's weight. Am I committing?
Yes.
Now, why they check the child, apart from checking the tattoos and other things, it also to help the doctor to know how many milligram per kilogram he will. Some drugs, especially for children, are given based on their body weight. Am I committing? So this 2 milligram per kilogram means 2 milligram of the drug per kilogram body weight of the what? The child. So that means 1 kilogram body weight take care of 2 milligram. So you now calculate the body weight of the child, which you got as what? 24. So if 1 kilogram is 2 milligram, that means 20.45 kilogram body weight of the child will now be how many what? Milligram. So the child will be given 40.9 milligram of the drug. Am I calculating? Probably 41 milligram, as case may be depending. Milligram of the what? The drug. Does it make sense? Good. For 6 kg. No. You don't appropriate like that. Just do your calculation. Leave it at least 2 decimal place, so that as you are until you go to your final step. Don't just keep it. The more you appropriate all the time, we are still solving. You are not arrived. The more you keep appropriating, the more you result to, the more this thing you be getting. Am I completing?
Yes, sir.
This is an intermediate result. Intermediates. It's an intermediate. Just leave it. If one person will make up to 3, one person is an intermediate. You are not even getting the final answer. So if you keep any step you appropriate, what you will get, you'll be like the deviation from the normal answer will be much. That's why it's not good to be appropriating intermediate what? It's because this is an intermediate. You are not arrived at where you are going. All right, so the last one says, it is best to select graduates with capacity. It is best to select graduates with capacity equal to or less than the volume measured. Is that what he said true? Is that what I told you? It's
it falls. Or exceeding. You say less than volume measured. You say Mama, it will be a bit higher than the volume that exceeding is measured.
We are talking about direct measurement. This is for direct measurements. For adequate distance. It should be what? Equal or slightly what?
Above.
It is the best to select graduate with capacity equal to or less than the volume measured. That's seed implication. If you want to measure, look up. You want to measure 10 mil. Look up. You want to measure 10 mil. And in your lab, you have 5 mil measures. You have 20 mil measures. Maybe your 10 mil got your 10 mil kowa or something happened to your 10 mil watts Sendeco measure. But you need to measure 10 mil. Will you go and measure 5 mil and pour? Measure another 5 mil and do what? Under normal circumstances, how do you mean that there's 10 mil? You would have used what? 10 mil straight. But you are 10 mil. Edozie was discussing so when she now broke it, you must measure what? 10 mil. But you have 5 mil and 20 mil. Will you go and start using 5 mil? Pour 5 mil, 1. Pour another 5 mil, 1. It will introduce error. So the best thing is to just use what? 20 mil and measure 10 mil from it. That's why they say that. Look at that question. It says it is best to select graduate with capacity equal to or less than. Will you go and use 5 mil? It's less than. So the best is to use what? That's why I say that use equal to or slightly what? Above the volume you want to do what? Measure. It is equals 9. Just stop breaking our this thing. Now, so this is what? False. Better, I don't understand you again. What's going on here? Okay. Elizabeth, come. Start coming. Ozugbo. Come and pick your questions. Let's move on. 49. Which I can be okay. Another one. 89. Pick another answer. Pick another one. 43. Okay, another one. Okay. 15. All right, clean the board. Let's go. 15 says you are making noise. You are making noise. Please stop. 15 says 40 flew downs. 40 flew downs. You want to go to this for flew down? Hey, good equal. It's equal to dash tablespoons. Is equal to dash mil. Okay, no problem. Copy it the way it is here. Copy. See, copy 15. All right, your time starts now. All right, thank you very much. Let's see what she did. All right. And one says 40 flew downs is equal to dash tablespoon equal to dash mil. Let's go. What is the relationship between flew downs and tablespoon? How many tablespoons make one flew downs? How many tablespoons make one flew downs?
2. No, how many tablespoons make one? Okay, yeah. 2. Okay, it's 2. Yes. No, yeah, 15. 15 is tablespoon. It's 2 tablespoons. Make 1 full dance.
Mira, okay, yeah.
Tablespoon is 15 mil.
Okay, you can be here. Tablespoon. She wrote 8. It should be what? 2, right? Then here is what? This is 40, right? Thank you. 80. God bless you. 80. God bless you too. So here is 1 full ounce. Actually, 1 full ounce is what? 2 tablespoons, which is what? 30 mil. But they say 40, so you multiply through by 40. 2 times 40 is what? 80. 30 times 40 is what? 102. Then 120 milligram is how many grain? 1 grain is what? 65 milligram. So let's go. Therefore, that is 1 not 20 is equal to what? That's. Okay. I'm adding himself. Atala one of him. I forget what I want of him. Oh yeah, I have a lot. Here, what should be here? 120 milligram. Oh yeah, I have a lot. This is X. So X is not going to what? 1 grain times what? 120 milligram over what? 65 milligram. So what is the answer? 1 point what? 84. Going to be 0.12. 49. What is 49?
1. 5 minutes.
Can you really Nazibe the coconut away here? Come here. Chinaza. Only kineri. Only kineri. Hey. Okay, let's go. Go and eat too. I didn't say you should not eat too before someone. So what's the answer?
1.
Is it 1?
Yes. 5 minutes.
1. I am on car. Apia in Italia. 1 over what? 3. Kusi ya putaba. Also. Pick your questions. Jerry can confirm more Mazaglia. Okay, pick another one. Okay, child. Which kind of number is this one?
46.
But also turn yeah.
46.
Oh, 94. Oh yeah, pick here. Most in turn yeah. Turn yeah. I'm on number or Greek figure here. You are more than this now. Okay, why are you afraid? Go sikwa. Yeah, you believe in you. All right, your time starts now. Okay, let's chine mechionu. No, because they be able to. Okay, let's look at what she did. Number 42 says 100 milligram is how many watts? Grain. Let's go. Of course, you know. Okay, she did it here. 1 grain is versus 5 milligram. S grain is equal to 100 milligrams. So 1 grain. So simply 100 divided by what? 65. What's the answer? Okay. Thank you. Then 94 says dash is a fraction, portion, or part that contains in an exact number of times in order. So some of you are writing ratio here for me. Ratio. A human being picked up his piece or pen in this class and wrote ratio here for me. The election, lecture. Similar ratio. Let's go. A deviation of 1 millimeter in the reading of the meniscus when using a 125 ml conical graduate results in an error of approximately what? 1.8 mil. 1.8 mil. All right, thank you very much. I think I'm done with this side for now. Ken Never, if you are, put fast. Pick your questions. If he is praying, oh yeah. $17, oh yeah, pick another one. Erosie. Oh yeah, Bia. Carry a book and come here. Come here. I have to pick another one. Age the gray hand there, but number 5. Okay, another one. Kerebo no putaba. Come and sit here. Oh, yeah, last one fast. If you want some. I want to see if we can say I have a lecture today. $30. Your podcast start by 11, right? Okay, 10:30. Okay. So 30. Now, about. Huh? Okay. Excuse me, sir. From the next quiz, I'll bring out you. I'll do it according to your reg number. From next week, I'll do it according. I'll follow it. And if I miss your number, without any reasonable reason for that, I doubt you may end up not writing the quiz. Then, if I miss it with any reason, serious reason, acceptable reason, you wait towards the exam. You will write it. So you left for you to know whether this reason is important enough or not. From next quiz, that's what I will do. Am I even saying from next week, sir? From tomorrow, if I will check those that I've done and remove, subtract those that I've done. Those that are ready, I'll follow it according to their reg number. So if I come to the reg number and I miss you without any, if you give reason, and I accept the reason, you wait during the exam. So this will help you before you even take permission. You ask yourself, this thing is it important or not? But if you just disappear on your own without any reason, I don't think I'll give you opportunity to write the quiz. And once I passed you, I passed you. Oh yeah. Take marker. Please tell others. Seventeen says. Huh? No problem. I copy it. Take. Okay, if your time starts now. If your time is up, submit your marker. Alright, let's look at what she did. 17. Sit down. No, never. 17 says 2 pints is dash. If you sit down, sit down. Sit down. You submitted. Sit down. Sit down first. Sit down. Sit down first. Sit down first. Let's sit down. Now time is going. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. If you sit down, sit down. Sit down. Take your pen and make the correction in your book. Okay. So 2 pint is dash fruit ounce and dash milk. So let's go now. 1 pint on a normal is what? Fruit ounce here is what? How many fruit ounce is 2 pints? 16 fruit ounce, which is what? 473, right? Okay, she used 473. So if you multiply through by 2, here becomes what? Here becomes what? Correct. You receive a doctor's order to prepare 0.5 kilogram of drug E. What is this equivalent in gram? You are simply convert what? 0.5 kilogram to what? Gram. Remember that 1 kilogram is equal to what? 1,000 watts gram. Therefore 0.5 kilogram is what? S, which is what? 500 watts gram. What is she? Kadia? Correct. Now next one says 15 over 120 grain is equal to what? Dash milligram. Remember that 1 grain is equal to what? 65 what? Milligram. I'm here now. Come on. Hey, now I'm on me here. And you put in a copy. Copy is all again. I will not call ya and see where let me go and copy it. Give one there, give one solve. Okay, wait. Let me understand what happened. No. Let me understand what happened. This is 1 grain. The question is what?
15 over 120 grain.
Is the question?
Yes.
Is the question?
Yes.
And she solved what?
15 over 1,000.
Onya Daria. Had it been she copied, let's assume she copied the wrong thing here. Why solving? She saw 150, I would have said, okay, no problem. But in Kakata, hey Daria. Okay, let's even see whether she got the 150 set. It's okay. Let's see if you can temper justice with mercy. Let's see. Do you know why I'm doing this? This is what you are doing before us. And even it's what you wrote on your own. I won't have listened to you. Am I completing? So let's even see whether you got what you did here yourself. Okay, about that thing. So 1 grain is what? 65 milligram, right?
1 gram.
Then 150 is what? X. So S is now equal to what? Kadia? S is now equal to what? 15 over 150 is what? 65 milligram over what? 1 grain. Let's go. So this is now what? 15 times. Is this 6.5?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Oh my. If she is solving, you are solving. Oh my God. See, what I want to test is if you know this thing. Okay? If you know that's what I want to test, nothing else. You know, in exam condition, you can make a mistake in exam condition, nobody will listen to you. But here, I give the opportunity for you to know whether take this one serious, grab all the mark, because this one you are doing it, we are looking at you. Am I communicating? Yeah. Even if you copied the wrong question and solved that wrong question and got it correctly, maybe where there should be 2, you go and put 3 here and solve with that your 3 and got the same answer. Am I communicating? As now and got answer that shows that you know how to solve that. I'll mark it for you. Now board though, not now your exam. Because in case exam we standard on your gonna follow. And with the same question on the hope you know. Are you aware? Yes. That's why I can call you out here, change your question immediately. And you solve it. Am I communicating? If there's an error in your question, I will change your question immediately. But I'm on normal exam, anywhere on a question, normal exam is bonus for everybody. But I'm because what I'm testing here now is whether I'm assessing you. That's why it's a CA. I'm assessing to know whether you actually know this. Ready. Before your exam self, whether you're ready for the exam or not. Individually, how ready you are for this exam. From your performance in this now, know whether you are ready for this exam. On a more serious note, your performance based on what you are doing here will tell me whether you are ready for this exam. That's why I say that my continuous assessment always should reflect in my final score, in my final exam. Because the way you are moving will always reflect from day one. Unless me say no, I need to buckle up. That's when a change can be made. Please. Okay. Nature, come out. Nature is speaking her question. Keep quiet. For 73, nature, wait, let me confirm whether 73 has been taken. Okay, another one, please. This has been taken. 60, taken. Another one. 19, okay, not taken yet. Okay. Another one. 48, not taken. Another one. 28. Okay, confirmed. All right. Are you done? Copy it yourself so I don't give unnecessary bonus to anybody. I copy the question by yourself. Question 19, 28 and 48. Okay, are you ready? Oh, yeah. Your time starts now. Nature. Okay. 1 quart is what?
1 quart is 1 pint.
1 quart is what?
2 pints. 1,000 ml.
Okay, let's just move. 1 quart is 1,000 ml. Okay. So how many teaspoons are in 1,000 ml? This is also another secret on how to do this. Watch out. From here, you can say 1 quart is what. Once you know this one, you can easily find this. Yes. 1 quart is what? 1,000 ml. She used 500. So how many teaspoons are in 1,000 ml? 200. Confirmed. Oh, they were here before. Give me mercy. Can I answer? Okay. Okay, let's go. So 1/200 grains what? Dash milligram. Let's go. So it's what's the answer? So just simply put 65 here. Right? And get your answer. The answer is what? 0.325, right? Good. 1 gallon is what? If you use 4,000, if you use 4,000 mil, you are there. If you use 3, is it 3840?
3784. 3784. 3784.
8 what?
4.
84.
Yes. So can you also use 3785?
From where?
1 gallon.
You can use where? Okay. You saw where?
3784.
Please, hello. Because they buy use only 500 ml per a pint or what? At least let's adopt this for now.
Yeah.
Okay, please. And was there any other one? Actually, for this session, use only okay? To welcome. So now, so if that's the case, that means when's there anything in the debate? She has missed it. Who told you? Okay, Victoria told you. Victoria, the assistant clerk. So how is it our business on the board? That's your business with Victoria. And I said what? Go and check. Break it down. See, simple. See, you don't take any people tell you like that. Just break this. Break this year 3840 down to pints and tell me how many mil in a pint. But you say, what would they talk? Now, nobody use 155 here. Why didn't you maintain it here? It's same thing now. You should maintain it here now. Yes, now. If you go by, listen, if you go by this you wrote here, 1 gallon is what? 4,000 mil. Maybe you didn't actually have a deep understanding of what you are doing. If you had or deep understanding of what you are doing, you should have known that this you use. How many gallons make? How many quarts make 1 gallon? How many quarts make 1 gallon? This is quart. It's not true. And even in a conventional business you do, how many liters make for 1 gallon? In your conventional business you do here, how many liters make 1 gallon? Liter, I need 7 liters. How many liters make 1 gallon? 4 liters now. They call it gallon or liter. 4 liter. It's not. So out of 8 gallons, some people call it 4 liter gallon. But either call it 4 liter or call it what? 1 gallon. On the normal. Okay, that's why I say I'll accept it. What's that?
So I saw 1 gallon, 160 for down. And if you use that 160 for down, if you use 4,800
for 1 liter is what?
1 gallon, 160 for down. No, 128. I saw it in that slide.
Which slide?
That measurement weight.
Show me, let me see.
1 gallon, 128 for the dams. That means 1 gallon can be 4,000 ml or 3784.
I said this. Blah. If we change the class, blah must want to confirm from me your one kagata. You put here a blah would agree. You know what I was saying here, is blessing. Okay, I must say it to you, but you okay, I put it down. Okay, now show me where it is. Let me understand what's that. But it is equal now, and we are linked with this thing.
Yes.
Okay, show, let me see. Do you know why I said this and this? The material I gave you, this is there. This is what I conventional, even on a normal transaction we see on day-to-day. This thing is what? This one. What is it? Show me. Let me see. Right there.
Okay. And if you use this 160, then the meals will be 4,800 meals instead of 4,000 instead of 4,000 meals, 4,800.
Please, if you search here, you also see. Hello, I am stamping it here in this class now. Use Olomunka, Babunka, Chikina, in pints. Anything you are doing, if I reduce it and it doesn't give me this or this, even if not now one internet, I wouldn't say that, but a lot of confusion everywhere. I told you that this imperial has a lot of issues. Did I mention it in this class? I'm adopting here in this my class. This and what? This. Please tell others so. Use Olomunka. Mobunka. Biko. Do you know why? You to keep confusing me and marking your script. If when I want to put in cough anywhere, true of us. When I want to mark, I will polish a character up and down. No, I don't have that type of time. Use this. Put it down for this exam. Use what? This and what? This. Because. So, but I want to give nature opportunity. Show me where you. I want to hear Victoria told me. Show me where you saw this. Because I told you go and check it up. That's what I told you. Check it up. That's what I said. Check it up. You told me that Victoria told you. I still told you what? I would have said okay, no problem. If Victoria is an authority, I would have said what? No problem, right? But I say go and do what? Check it up. So I give you like 1 minute to show me. If you can't prove what this is now, it's 0. Ask.
If the question comes in fraction form, can you still keep your answer in fraction form or you change this question?
If question comes in fraction form.
Like this one that says it's 1/200, right? 1/200. Why summing? After summing, will you keep it in fraction or keep it in decimal?
If you keep it in the decimal, this way I'll mark it, so no problem.
Okay,
actually, the number should be in what? The decimal on the normal. That's writing to do. But if you leave it at decimal, I'll mark for you, no problem. If you leave it at fraction, I'll also mark for you. Because the question is in fraction, I'll mark it for you. But the one I will not tolerate is that if I give you something that has no an abstract number in common fraction, you go and start punching a calculator and give to me in what? Decimal. That's what I will not mark. Okay? But so far it's a nominative number, no problem. I'll mark it. But on normal, it's better to leave it as what? Decimal. Okay, what's that? Careful. 1 what? 1 gallon is what? 3,840. Do you know why I am marking this?
No.
After today, one day or so, after today, only I'm not here and they tell him one thing in internet. I will not listen to the person.
Yes, sir.
Follow this. Whatever you are doing must be. Hey, nature. Whatever you are doing must be. Come down to what? I'm not calculating. Whatever you are doing in this volume must come down to what? 1 pound go to what? 500 ml. Because I can't be checking internet for you up and down. Try to confirm what to use for me. No time for that one. Because we have seen about 6 different values here now. 2 of us, up to 6 here now today. So how long will I be doing that? He's okay. Give me a punch back. I can't be doing that now. So that nobody could just close his eyes because I would like to know what the person used. And the person may close his eyes and you use the vessel earlier. Then I'll start looking for it on the internet to check where it is. I can't be doing such now. Nobody hear me. Hey, some people say we even tell you one, but I added this one because of I know that for practical purposes, what you see on an everyday transaction, 1 gallon is what 4 liters. 3 of us, good. Your normal 1 gallon is what 4 liters. That's why I can just so I'm doing it because I didn't say this in here. You have already done this before I took this decision on this. That's why I want it, not because of the days you are showing me. Take, because anybody can write anything on the internet and you see it and take it as what this thing. So I'll mark this based on that. If not, so please inform others, please. Who else has not? Who and who? One. Who did that? Okay. Oh yeah, come out. Fast. Precious. Kedebe gift no. Omego na omego. Ogwe eziokwu. Kiri gift no. You never. I don't understand it. It's a community. Ịmana ka mụ na nwe zero mụta ihe na ya da na nna agbaghalị ihe ọ mụtọrọ still nnukwu exam mitukwu ya dakwa ya na exam okay, another one. $26. Another one. $58. All right, clean the board. The numbers are 26, 58, and 75. Okay, now. Okay, you are done. Okay, let me confirm the questions. Okay, your time starts now. Start writing. Time is up. Are you done? Good. All right, let's look at what she did. Number 26 says, hey, 1/50 grains equal to how many milligrams? Just simply multiply this by what? 55. So, what did she get? 0.433. Is that the answer? Yes. Okay.
Yeah. 0.43.
Over the toilet. Look at what you do to yourself now. Simply write this in here for me. Is there any grain? Huh? If it says, simply put it, you need everything for you here. We'll see for you. Huh? Then just put the number and simple. Get the ring. Yes, you. Okay, you're fine. If it says what? It's how many? 6, right?
Correct.
This is what?
0.43.
65.
Correct.
This is what?
65. Onya Maris. Oh, Marion.
Alright, okay, no problem. Please be careful, please. In examination, listen careful. In examination, once you see units here, don't bother yourself with units. That unit is there to help you. If not, I would just write this and put that here. So when you see this thing, after trying to help you, you still go and put grain here. A dia. Please don't do it again, please. All right.
002.
Come out.
002.
Get in there, Megan. Get away, where you going? Where the miss them? Us, one on the miss. Get there, boy. Yeah, see good information. Onya na akwasere. It's onya. Ona akwasere. Oh yeah, feature. Number what is this? Number 3. Since take another one. Ah. 14. Okay. Another one. $45. Okay, another one. Another one. In the metal bomb. That's it. All right. So, can you write? You cannot, right? Can you? Okay. Okay. Please, quiet, please. Start. Your time start now. All right. Let's look at this. 1 gallon is what did she use here?
4,000.
Okay. She used 500 ml. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's go. 1 gallon, 44,000 ml, right? Divided by 5 is what? 800. Okay, good. This should be full downs. Anyway, it's not a fault or error. Okay, let's see. Is it actually 8 full downs?
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay, food. Okay. That's what it is. Now, Now, please, let's just rush it down. No time. In the formula for 100 ml of phenobarbital sodium, elixir calls for. This is phenobarbital is the base molecule, but this is the sort of it. So it's not phenobarbital. Sorry, that tar, okay? Sorry, because of this sodium attached to it. Let's go, please. The formula for 100 ml of phenobarbital, is it pento or pheno? Pentobarbital sodium elixir calls for 0.75 ml of orange oil using alcohol as what? The diluent. And the 10 ml graduate. Calibrated in 1 ml unit. So that means the precision. The smallest calibration there is what? 1 mil. So the precision is what? 1 mil. So what it means is that you cannot measure anything less than 1 mil without error above 5%. That's the meaning.
Yes.
So that means whatever you are going to measure should be 1 mil or above 1 mil. So that means we have here, and we want to measure 0.75 mil. So on this hand, we have 0.75 mil. And the minimum we can measure is what? 1 mil. So what can we do to this 0.75 mil to get something that will be above 1 mil? Should we use 4?
Yes.
So if you multiply this by 4, it will give you what? Times 4 is what? 3 what? Mil. So that means you measure 3 mil of the what?
3 ml of orange oil.
Of the orange oil, right?
Yes.
We still don't know the volume of alcohol because alcohol is diluent. So what can we do now? We can multiply by 3 again, right? is what?
12 mil.
You can even use 9, no problem. 12. Okay, 12 mil, right? How many will remain here? 9 mil will remain here, right? So we divide through by what? 4, right? Here give us what? Plus what? 2 point what? 3 what?
3 mil.
So actually you're going to do what? Measure what? 3 mil of what?
Orange oil.
Measure 3 mil of what? Orange what? Orange what? 3 mil of orange oil. Dilute with what?
No, 12.
Who said 12?
9.
Dilute with 9 mil of what? Alcohol. Then measure what? To make is there not to make in that question? Okay, good. Then measure what? 3 mil of what? Orange oil and what? Alcohol mix. Okay. Thank you. That's the answer. All right. I don't know if you have any question. Ask. No question. We'll stop it. Any question, you can keep it. Your lecturer is already here. Please let us not. All right. Thank you very much for your attention. God bless you. Ndị ọgba ọsọ na-agbakwa n'ọsọ. Gift. Same for further. You are here tomorrow. Also, you buy food for alcohol. Kiende? Plus alcohol mix.